I'm going to choose 5 friends here that said they want to be part of this challenge. I'm going to send 6 hair care products that I made here for them as I'm making them, if that makes sense at all. If it's not clear to you, please let me know on the comment section below. Hello friends, how you doing? Welcome to Jumia's channel again. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jumi and this is what we do here. What I'm doing today is I just want to come up here real quick to let you know that I will be doing hair challenge for me, and there's 2 things that I'm going to be comprising in this hair challenge. The first one is hair length. I want to see how much hair I can retain in a year if I do everything right and use all these things that's supposed to make your hair grow. The second one is no heat at all. No blow drying, no heat at all. Everything that I want to do on my hair, it's no heat. If you want to join me on this challenge, of course, let me know on the comment section below. My plan is anything that I make to use on my hair, I will be sharing it with you. So if I make any product here towards the hair challenge, I am going to be sending it to 5 people that let me know in the comment section below that you want to do this hair growth challenge. If you want to join this challenge, let me know on the comment section below that you want to be part of this challenge of no heat and hair growth challenge for a year, 365 days starting in August 1st. Let me know on the comment section below, and out of that I will be picking 5 people that I will be sending anything that I make here on this channel that's related to my hair growth challenge. So does that make sense? I think I'm clear, because sometimes I tend to ramble for no reason. The next thing that I want to do, if you want to join this channel, if you want to join this challenge, you should do that too, which is we need to get a baseline of how long is our hair right now. You can go ahead and use a tape measure to measure it, but I am going to be using this video for baseline. So let's do the front first because it's easier. It's right there. So I'm going to gather some from each part of my head, and we're going to keep the face straight, and that's where I am. And then we're going to do the side. I actually just stretch my hair. I do not use it. I do not. The best thing, I think it would be nice if I can straighten my hair, but I do not want to straighten it. I think this is good enough, and this is where I am, like right there. And then let's do the back. That's the hair length check for the beginning of this challenge. So if you have any question, please leave it below. From next week on, start expecting video that will have something to do with this hair challenge. Okay? Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for your support. I will see you guys in my next video. Like I said, if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section below. I'm going to try to put as much information on the description section. If you still have any question, please let me know. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.